Skintastic.
Okay, hold on a second. Ready, aim, selfie. Done. Okay, as the selfie has grown from young and self-obsessed to recently earning its way into the Oxford Dictionary. And since it's hard to stay on the selfie sideline, Dr. Jeffrey Adelglass and Chelsea Morgan are here with ideas that will help you post your best look. And we've talked about selfies a lot here on the broadcast, and there really are some ways you could make yourself look better for them, right?
Yes.
So tell me about some of these.
Well, I mean, now out there with selfies, they've got all of the filter apps. So you can do pretty much anything you want to do with your own selfie at this point, just with what the apps can do and change the way you look and feel about the picture.
Oh my goodness, they can make you slimmer. I know Beyonce has gotten in trouble for this recently because I guess if you make yourself look tinier, it kind of warps the things around you. So if you're using some of these filters, you better be careful because someone might catch them, right?
Right, you can end up with a big head.
That would be bad. That would be bad. But what about some filter-free options? I like the filters, by the way. They're awesome. But what about some filter-free options?
Well, exactly. And, you know, there's really nothing better than your real self. And so at Skintastic, there's a number of different things that we can offer to really help you look your best in your own skin, to make you more confident, but in real life, too. You know, obviously, everything we do is not just in a selfie. We have to walk around in the world. And so why not go ahead and improve the things that you want to and look good all the time?
So what sort, if I want to come over to Skintastic and maybe have a little help, what are some things you guys have over there for me?
Well, you name it. You know, obviously, you guys talked earlier about the Botox, for example, and that's something that Dr. A does very, very well. We also have...
I need to come see Dr. A right now. See, look.
There you go.
You're so beautiful.
You're so cute. So it was really funny, though, because I told the story when I had to go to the emergency room for some headache issues. They're like, can you move your eyebrows? I was like, nope, just have my Botox done.
That's right.
But Botox is such an easy way to really change everything in the face, make you look more relaxed and well-rested, I think is one way, right?
Exactly. And especially, you know, now that kids are going back to school, it's time to get back to you. And so why not look more rested and work on those fine lines and wrinkles? And Botox and fillers are a great way to do that.
Okay, and so Dr. A, tell me a little bit about some of the fillers that I can come over and get at Skintastic.
Well, we have all the major fillers, Restylane, Juvederm, and the new Voluma, which lasts up to 2 years.
Oh, wow.
So we can do a combination of things. They're quick, they're easy, minimal downtime, and you can see the results immediately. So you can look sometimes, so there's no need for filters.
Well, and I think that's one of the issues people have sometimes with Botox and fillers is that they seem like they don't last that long, but you're telling me at least with this new filler, it could last up to 2 years. That's a pretty big deal.
It is. And although that may not seem like a long time, 6 months to a year, people's faces change and they may want to try a new look, a little more accent in one area or the other. So they do last a decent amount of time for many, many people.
Tell me about Focus.
Well, Focus is our newest laser. It's a picosecond laser. And what that means, it's the fastest laser that we have for human use. And the advantage to the consumer is that it leaves patients with minimal discomfort and minimal downtime. Since it's so fast, it can really penetrate the skin. And what it does is it helps smooth out wrinkles, fine lines, brown spots, sun damage, and it even helps with things like stretch marks and scars, even acne scars, to a certain extent.
I love it, getting those selfies right, but you can also do stuff like Latisse for lashes, right?
That's right.
Maybe some self-tanning.
Absolutely.
All great tips for the selfie.
Right, exactly. I mean, you know, we've heard jokes before about we all look better tan, so that is certainly a way to do it.
And thinner.
Yes, exactly, exactly. So that's an easy way to do it and certainly something that Skintastic offers as well. But as Dr. A mentioned with the Focus, I mean, it stimulates collagen and elastin, and so do that in combination with the Botox and the fillers to get a much more enhanced and longer lasting result.
And then you have to show me about this little contraption. I saw someone with one of these recently. What is this?
This is the monophone. It's the new way to take a selfie. So you can actually fit more people in and get a better angle.
And right, because isn't the right angle a little high?
A little higher. You gotta always find the right angle for everybody.
We'll share our selfie that we take
Okay.
during the break, you guys. You can find Dr. A at Skintastic's 2 locations in Dallas. To find the one closest to you, check out skintastic.com or call 972-620-3223. And if you have a question for Dr. A, just hit us up on Facebook or Twitter at The Broadcast, and we'll try and get those questions answered for you. All right, fall is oh so near, and so is tailgating. Holla, go Bruins. We're coming back with some delicious ideas to keep your hungry fans happy next. Come on back.